The immune system's response to the common cold virus. First, lymphocytes, which are a type of white blood cell found in bone marrow, divide into B cells and T cells. B cells, which are responsible for producing antibodies, will stay and mature in the bone marrow, while T cells, which are cells that actively participate in the immune response, will leave to mature in the thymus. In order for the immune response to begin, an antigen needs to be present. An antigen is a foreign substance, and for this demonstration, the antigen is the common cold virus. The common cold virus enters the body through the nose since it is airborne. The virus injects its DNA into cells and multiplies rapidly until the virus is released from the cell into the body. A large phagocytic cell called a macrophage detects the presence of the virus in the body, and it ingests, processes, and presents a piece of the virus on its outer membrane. With this piece of the common cold virus on its surface, the macrophage can be recognized by helper T cells, which control most of the activity in the immune system. Once the helper T cell finds the macrophage sends interleukin-1 to the T cell. Interleukin-1 is a group of cytokines that regulate immune and inflammatory responses. The helper T cell will then transmit interleukin-2 in order to retrieve a cytotoxic T cell necessary to kill and break down infected cells. Interleukin-2 regulates the activities of white blood cells during an immune response. Simultaneously, B cells are produced into the plasma cells that will create antibodies. Antibodies are proteins that will respond to a specific antigen. The antibodies will latch on to the broken bits of the pathogen. Macrophages will then scour the body to ingest the bits of the pathogen that have been marked by the antibodies. In order to make sure that the immune system will be prepared to fight off the pathogen again, memory B cells created after the immune response live in the body in order to effectively attack a pathogen the second time around. They carry a piece of the virus with them in order to make the secondary immune response as effective as possible. Unfortunately, the common cold frequently mutates. Therefore, memory B cells are often rendered ineffective.